Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to share Instagram Reels on TikTok. To do this, it's very simple. You just need to go, open your Instagram and click on the Reels icon. And for example, I want to share this Reel on TikTok. I just need to click on the airplane icon, and after that go and click to add to story, and after that click on the three lines like on the top right of the screen and click on save. It will take just a few seconds, and in just a few seconds it will be saved, and after this video will be saved to your phone, you can use it and you can share it on TikTok without any problem. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.